1984 Rabbit GTI. I've owned for like 22 years. My high school car. Still have it. Put the Mark II 16 valve BBS wheels on it. Paint job, I don't know, 20 years ago. It's still holding up. Little things, put the cami hood scoop on from back in the 80s. I actually changed the front end and put the Mark I Scirocco headlights in it, just to be a little different. Trying to think what else. As far as motor, did a little head work, big old cam in there, got a little lumpy idle to her. Other than that, she's been a great car, fun car. Still want to do more to her. I'm hoping I can at some point in my life. But if you can find a Mark I tell you to do it. You'll love it.
All right, guys, we have a quick surprise right here. Since we got a Mark I here, we also decided to get a Mark 7 here. So just want to get some real cool shots while we have them together here. All right, guys, it has just been a absolute awesome evening. Thanks for Josh and Austin for coming out here. It's just so cool seeing old and new together here. They just look awesome together, and we have this beautiful sunset. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys later. Peace.